Zimbabwe teachers stand firm ahead of planned strike. 09 September 2025. By Change Radio, the Federation of Zimbabwe Educators Unions, FOZEU, has reaffirmed its commitment to a nationwide strike. Despite calls from the Federation of Educators Unions of Zimbabwe, FEUZ, to postpone action pending negotiations scheduled for the 12th of September. Addressing members on the 8th of September, FOZEU Secretary General Obert Masarora said the move to delay the strike is a tactical attempt to demobilize teachers. "We are not fools. We are the backbone of this nation," he declared. FOZEU plans are as follows. 1. Tuesday, the 9th of September, log in and sit in at schools. No teaching or labor. 2. Wednesday, the 10th of September, full withdrawal of labor. A one-day strike to paralyze the system. 3. Ongoing, mobilization for an indefinite strike until demands are met. 4. Sunday, the 14th of September, reconvening to announce the official start of the indefinite strike. The union's core demand remains a minimum salary of USD 1,260 per teacher, which Masarora called a right, not a luxury. He warned that teachers will continue to escalate action if the government fails to meet their demands. "We will not be pacified, we will not be demobilized, and we will not surrender, no retreat." "No surrender," Masarora said. Teachers and concerned stakeholders are following developments closely, as FOZEU signals its readiness to disrupt public examinations and educational operations until its wage demands are addressed.